Hey guys, welcome to another keyboard video. So I bought these Akko CS switches from Akko because I wanted to experiment with some different linear switches and their different individual actuation forces. The Akkos come in a very premium style box which can be utilized as a looping station, whilst also being a very budget friendly switch for anyone new to the hobby, such as myself. Priced around 15 AUD for 45 switches, this allows users to dive into the hobby without breaking too much of a hole in their wallets. The switch itself consists of a top housing made of polycarbonate, a stem made from POM, and the bottom housing being made of nylon. The spring has an extremely light actuation force of 35 grams, with a 22mm extension spring, which makes it more suitable for long hours of typing rather than that of gaming. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Stick around for the future build using these switches, but do coming soon.